Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to add authentication in Laravel application. So we will use Laravel Breeze to add login, register and forgot password page in Laravel application. So let's get started with the example. So let me go here and you can see that I simply downloaded Laravel application and it's running with the PHP artisan serve. And if you go here, you can see that I simply set up with the database. So now if I go here into the getting started section, there is a starter kit. You need to just click over there and there is a already documentation about Laravel Breeze, how to install and set up. So let me go here and scroll down. There is a command composer required to install Laravel Breeze. So let's install Laravel Breeze in our application. So let me go and simply clear it, and I will say composer required, and I will say Laravel slash Breeze and hit enter. It will download it Laravel application. Okay, so let's wait a moment. Okay, it's downloaded. Let me clear it. Okay, and now if I go here and scroll down, there is a command to install Laravel Breeze in Laravel application. So let's install it. So let me run that command, php artisan breeze colon install, and hit enter. And now it will ask you which stack you want to use it, like Blade with Alpine, Livewire with Alpine, and React.js with Inertia, Vue.js with Inertia, or API only. So right now I will choose the Blade with Alpine. So I will simply hit enter on that. And then after it will ask you, would you like to dark mode support? I will say yes. So I will say yes. And then which testing framework do you want prefer? So I will just simply choose PHP unit. So hit enter and it will download it, not dependency. So let's wait a moment. Okay, so yeah, it's downloaded. Okay, now if I go here and you can see that there is a npm install and npm run. So when we run Laravel Breeze install, it automatically does these things. Okay, so we don't have to do a separate things. Okay, now if I go to our project, so if I go to the routes, you can see that automatically create the auth.php file. In that file there is a registration, login and all the routes they define it. Same thing if I go to the controller, you can see that they define created a profile controller, and they also created a auth folder with all the controller like reset password, user and verify email and all the things. Okay, same thing if I go to the resource views, they already created a like profile and layouts, components, and you can see that auth as well. Okay, now let me go and run a application again. So let me clear it and simply artisan serve. Okay, and now if I go and hit refresh, you can see that there is a login and registration link over there. Okay, now if I click on registration, I will simply create one users like test at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and I will say 1234567 password. So 123456789. So simply register it, and you can see that it's perfect design. You can see that dashboard with the UR login, and here is the test. And if you click on the profile, you can see that there is a perfect profile information and update password page, and there is also delete account button as well. When you click on it, it will verify and pop-up will open and it will ask you. So you can see that you don't have to do all the things. Same thing if I go here into the controller, and there is a profile controller. So you can see that they simply return the view with the auth request, and when you hit on save, it will call this update function. So same thing, it will automatically create the by default what you need for authentication. Same thing, same. Let me log out here. Okay, and if I click on login, then you can see that there is also forgot password page where you can add your email address and click on the email password reset link button, then it will send an email as well. Okay, so same thing, let me log in again. So I will say like test@gmail.com, and let me add the password 789 and click on login. Okay, you can see that. So I hope guys this tutorial will help you. If you haven't subscribed me, then subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching.